Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Naturebox unboxing. This is actually my first ever Naturebox order, so I'm really excited to share with you guys the items that stuck out to me on their site, as well as, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Naturebox. You don't have to worry about all that other like added nasty junk that is added to a lot of stuff nowadays. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is how the box arrived. It has a stick, well, my box had a sticky right to the side, but I just took it off because of course my information. So I actually opened this. This is peanut butter. Like, I've been waiting for peanut butter, just good quality peanut butter to come in the mail. What I love about this peanut butter is that it only has 2 ingredients, and that's right over here: peanuts and salt. That's definitely all that your peanut butter should have, and I tried this. It's absolutely delicious. So excited that I did order this. And I actually ordered 2 of the peanut butters. It came wrapped in this bubble wrap. Next up is some almond butter, and the almond butter only has almonds. When you go out shopping, definitely make sure you look and see what the ingredients are. Good quality peanut butter should only have nuts, salt, and at the very most some type of oil. I also ordered, and everything is vegan, so I just want to put that out there. If you are a vegan and you're like, okay, what items do they have? So this is sweet and smoky barbecue twist. You'll actually be surprised, a lot of barbecue chips have chicken like seasoning or chicken stock, so I was very excited to see this and excited that they're actually vegan. Next up is this blueberry almond quinoa bites. I had this before and it's so good. And what I love about this is that you get about 3/4 cup for only 130 calories. I have the nutty power clusters. This, I haven't tried these before. The quinoa bites I did try and love them, and you get 6 pieces for 106 calories if you guys care. These are garlic plantains. I am so like beyond excited to try these. These are some more clusters. These are the vanilla almonds, salt and pepper twist, and these are just a larger size of the crunchy barbecue twist. Salt and vinegar chips. And then again, I have another pack of actually 2 more packs of the sweet and smoky barbecue twist. These are great to travel with. They're definitely the perfect size, and these are only 80 calories per bag. That's it for my haul. I'm actually hosting a giveaway on my Instagram page. If you guys are interested, I will leave the giveaway details below, and thank you guys so much for watching.